now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, please introduce yourself. Please speak louder and slowly.
Hi, my name is Ansharina Franco, 24 years old, single, and I have experience as factory machine operator for 2 years.
Okay. Say
Okay.
this way, Mom.
Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yeah, 他也是university graduate. Are you university graduate?
Did you graduate in the university?
I am a second year level only, ma'am.
So you finished 2 years?
Yes.
So actually, only 2 years is not university. That is college only, right, Sarah?
State University, ma'am.
She studied in the university, but the level is not
Not graduate. Good.
Maybe she's graduate, but not 4 years course. She only finished 2 years course. 我们菲律宾有分2年和4年的课程。
对，2年是 college， 对不对？2年的属于 college，4年的是 university。So what is your study major subject? Major subject.
Bachelor of Science in Electronics, ma'am.
电子的。Can you explain what your experience?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Your working experience.
Electronics for 2 years only.
The boss is asking about your working experience.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, she answered 2 years. So right now, what are your job right now? What are your job right now? What are you doing now?
As of the moment, ma'am, I don't have a job. I am still applying.
他说他目前没有工作。
Yeah, yes. Yeah. Already 3月9 4月份。Almost 1 year you don't have the work. And what are you doing in the Philippines?
I am just helping my mom to sell in the market, ma'am. Sell meat in the market.
帮妈妈在做，帮妈妈在卖东西啊。
妈妈在卖东西，
市场卖东西，在市场卖东西啊。因为我那林子还有什么要问的？他在那秘书面前在做工作，日本工厂做了2年半导体的 machine operator。
然后他，对不对？
他的那个学历是读了2年，应该属于 college。
这个英文还是他都听得懂。
对，他都听得懂，对，这英文还可以。
这还可以。
对。How about the next?
Okay,那
next 啊？
没有刺青吧？
那个 Sarah， 她身上有 tattoo 吗？
So do you have any tattoos on your body?
No, ma'am.
他没有。
OK， 她没有。OK, thank you for your coming. Next, Sarah, next.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Next is Patty.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, we wanted to understand you are single, but you got 2 children.
Yes, that's correct, ma'am. I have a partner, but we're not married.
Not married.
Yes.
Okay. And now, who take care of your children?
My partner, ma'am, and also my mother. And also my partner's mother.
your partner's mother and your mother
Yes.
together to take care of your children.
Yes, that's correct.
So they know you. They agreed you come to Taiwan to do the job.
Yes, and the one
They
that,
agreed.
yes, ma'am. And the one that will take care of them is my mother and my partner and the mother of my partner. So there's 3 of them.
Where is your partner? Where is you?
Where is your partner? In the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. We
What
are.
are they do? What is she doing?
He is also selling meat in the market, ma'am.
Selling in the market.
Yes.
也是做售货员，他的先生，他的 partner 在做售货员先生。Okay, thank you. You come again. Cancel your interview again.
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope you got the luck. Okay, thank you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.